I'm going to IKEA. But no, I'm not shopping for DoorDash or nothing. I'm shopping for me. So yeah, I know I was supposed to make a video earlier today, but I did not do that. I am just sort of taking some time and seeing what is developing and letting that happen. But I got about a half an hour return, going to the movies in about a half an hour, so I'm here early. I'm gonna go to IKEA. That'll be a cool little wall effect. These boxes are cool too. I don't think I need this bag. Gotta ditch it somewhere. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Trying to shop for a birthday gift, so I got to take a picture and stuff. Alright, check this out. I don't know. I'm just walking around. Cool table. Welcome to the Lee Podcast, located in IKEA. I like that screen. It would be cool to put a projector in my TV room. I got a big enough wall for it. I wonder where is that? Oh, it's up there. It's up on the ceiling. That would be cool to do. Check out that kitchen. Now I do like this. I got a wall I can put that in. This here. This is cool. However, it'll get dusty because I don't cook that much. So that would be the issue. It would be a lot of just stuff that I would never use because I would have to wash it before I used it. It would get dusty. Look at that. It would look cool though for resale purposes. I like this. You could do that. You could get a IKEA kitchen. It's pretty quality nowadays. It's different. And they got soft clothes. All right, let's move on. I like this mirror. I'm about to say a window. That's cool for the bathroom. Look like a hotel type of mirror. Hello. Cool. All right, moving along. I need somebody to come put that together though. I don't want to sit there and put all that together. We might as well explore. What kind of floor plan is this? Who would ever design a floor plan like this? This is just a very random floor plan. I think I'm lost. It feels like I'm going in a circle, like one of them carnival rooms or something. I'm just going in a circle. Now I'm at the little toys. I think I figured out the way out. Finally. All right, I gotta speed this up because I got like 2 minutes and then I need to go to the movie. It's a real maze. Oh, shit. This is way different than the last time I was here, which was a couple of years ago. It's a maze. If you can't tell, I'm trying to rush through here, trying to avoid all the crying kids and stuff like that. That's a creepy lamp. Would y'all put one of those heads as a lamp in your room? It's kind of creepy, ain't it?
Attention IKEA visitors. India Neal, please find your nearest IKEA coworker and have them dial extension 1000. Once again, India Neal, please find the nearest IKEA coworker and have them dial extension 1000. Thank you.
Found it. I'm almost out of here. But I got lost in there, so I'm out. I'm running late. We gotta go. Little movie star making little movie clips. Hey.